Hey friends, if screenshots are not saving in the pictures folder on Windows, then please watch this video. Now there are two cases to it. Okay, so the first one is that the pictures folder is corrupt. So these days we don't use the registry editor fix for fixing the pictures folder. All we need to do is an SFC scan, but it doesn't go corrupt these days. And there is a separate screenshots folder here. If the screenshots folder is not saving the screenshot, see, I didn't take any screenshots, so that's why there's no folder here. But if the screenshots folder is not saving screenshots, then there are two cases to it again. One is that screenshots are disabled using the registry editor, and the second one is that a third party software product is interfering. So if a third party software product is interfering, then uninstall any third party app. I'll show you. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps, and then if you find any third party screenshot application, simply uninstall it. Okay, so this is one thing. And the second thing is that you can use a registry editor fix. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator to open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft Windows current version and Explorer. Okay. In the right pane, we will create an entry named screenshot index if it does not exist already. But first check, does it exist? Right click, new, and then defer 32-bit value, screenshot index. Double click over that and change the value data to 695 and hit enter. And then reboot your system. After clicking on OK, obviously reboot your system and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.